Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. Whoa, I can't tell how long I've been away from YouTube, but I'm back. And as you can see, I'm here with my very messy hair. I washed my hair yesterday, it dried, and now I just want to moisturize, and I thought that I should moisturize it with you. So with me here is my mixture of water and pure glycerin. Here is the glycerin. It should be pure vegetable glycerin. No additions, no fragrance or anything, just pure. And then you mix with water. One portion of this, 4 portions of water. So for example, if it's 1 spoon of glycerin, you add 4 spoons of water. So after this, I'm going to use a leave-in. This is the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. It was a sample from some products that I sell. That is Safi Amani, and it's a great product. This one, I can tell you it's great. So after that, I seal in moisture with this hair butter. It's amazing. You should try these products. So I combine these ones. I start with the leave-in, then I seal in the moisture using the butter. Sometimes, especially from the second moisturizing onwards until my wash day, I use a leave-in conditioner and an oil. My hair is low porosity, so I avoid using butters so much to avoid build-ups and all that. Yeah, so for today, because it's my first moisturizing day after cleaning, I'm going to use these two. So welcome. It happened, guys. So this is the following day, and Kenya Power did their thing. My phones went off, and I just moisturized part of my hair offline, and I have this part left, which I thought I should just finish it with you and complete the video where I left it at. So as I had mentioned, I have my moisturizing. Here is my water, my pure glycerin, and I added something else, cloves water. Yeah, I'm working on my hairline. I've had some bad shedding. It was a lot. I was in some kind of a season, but yeah, as you can see, my hairline is coming back. It was like there was nothing here, and also the other side. So I have been doing some cloves water and fenugreek. I do a video on that and update you. So this is what I do. I spritz some water. This is a continuous mist bottle. It does an amazing work. It doesn't wet your hair. It just mists and dampen the hair. So you press once and it mists. It is a continuous mist. You see. Yeah, so I do that. More on the tips. So I'm going to do it in sections. Like 3 sections of this or 2. Just 2 of it is enough. Yeah. So I smoothen out everything. My camera is acting up. The lighting is not so well. It's very gloomy here in Nairobi currently. It's been raining actually, so the weather is not so good. Yeah. So I detangle as I go. So after that, I follow with my leave-in conditioner. It's almost done, so I'm doing a lot. Yeah, that size is enough. I usually start with my tips going up, as the tips are the most, or rather they are the driest, and also the oldest. So you need to pay a lot of attention on your tips here. Yeah. So again, I do some detangling. I like doing some detangling with my fingers, as it's gentle, especially now that I'm working on my hairline. I'm still experiencing some shading. You see that? I can say this is a lot for such a section, so, but I'm doing fine. I'll be doing an update showing you the before and now, the progress that I've achieved, and I'm really grateful. It's just some months, it's not even a year. Yeah, and my hairline is coming back. So after that, I follow with my butter. It's almost over. This butter has served me since last year, that is 2024 to today. I started using it around, it was around March, yeah, around March 2024. It's now January. Actually, today is 31st of January 2025. So I go in with my butter. And you remember I mentioned that I sometimes use oil. So for my ends, I like adding more product, butter. So I'm using an avocado oil. This is also available at my shop. Yeah. So I've added a few drops of castor oil, pure castor oil. This one here. So at the tips, I add some more oil to make sure that the ends are really moisturized and moisture sealed in. So after that, I now chunky twist that section. All right. So I chunky twist that. My camera. I twist that one section. Like that. So I'm left with this one part. Wow. I'm so happy this was left out and my hair is long, guys. I'll be doing a length check with you. So you remember I had missed this one also. So I detangle lightly. I feel it's some kind of dry, so I miss again. I go in with my leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, it's almost done. It's not coming out. So, and because of that, I have an option. I have this other leave-in conditioner, which is also available at my shop. It is a great leave-in conditioner. You see how creamy it is? You see? Yeah, it's very creamy. So I go in with that, smoothing as I did, and this does the detangling. If your hair is detangled, especially after washing, this one will do the job. This one will do the job, because it's like now 2 days after I wash my hair, and you can see, wow, you can tell how it does the job of detangling very well. As I go, I remove all the shed hairs. You see these ones? These are shed hairs. So after that, I go in with my butter. And for this butter, you make sure that it all melts in your hands, or rather on your palms. So I melt it on my palms, and then again from from the tips towards the roots. Oh wow, and the hair now feels so much moisturized and tangled. So at this stage, I do not even need some combs or anything to detangle, because I detangled well before I washed, during the washing also. So now I chunky twist. I'm just doing it lightly because I'm unraveling these ones to do an hairstyle. So maybe I'll do that hairstyle also with you. Yes, so at the ends, I do some oil just to make sure that they are all moisturized and moisture sealed in. All right, yeah, so some more moisture there. So my hair is all clean, moisturized. Look at that volume, you guys. Look, the camera is not even doing justice to this hair. So I'll be looking for some good lighting. If you know some place I can get like a ring light. I already have a tripod, so I need some good lighting. I want to do content even at night. Yeah. So now I missed my scalp. My scalp doesn't like very heavy sealants like butters. So I also seal in moisture in my scalp, or rather on my scalp, very lightly. So after that, I massage for the water to get in. And now I go with my avocado oil, spread it on my palms, and now go in my scalp as I do some massages. Massages are great for your scalp. They help products to penetrate well. They they help with blood circulation, which helps. Sorry for that, guys. Which helps with hair growth. So yeah. So after that, I moisturize my edges. I moisturize my edges and then seal in with this oil. This oil is great for both hair and skin, you guys. It is an oil for the whole family actually. From the hair to skin to everywhere. It is the same hair that I use for my baby. My son also uses the same oil. Like all the products I sell are great for the whole family. Yeah, and that is my hair, clean and moisturized. Yeah, so this is the back. Some chunky twists, right? Yeah. So that is all about this video. Guys, I'm back. So I'm giving content. So see you on the next one.